Okay, real quick video. You pretty much pull this out, this whole thing right here. You put your finger right here, and you pull it down, the clip pop, and then you just back it out, pry it up with your fingers like this, and then you pull it right out, okay? Disconnect the two harness, that's the two connectors that's connected. And then you go right here. Now this black wire was plugged in exactly right here where my finger is, so pretty much just like that, right? Plugs right there. This is your rear view mirror. As long as you have the auto dimming, this is it right here. So this is the dongle that came from these guys, okay? You just plug it in there, the one that, so you can see it, there you go, the one that came out of the car, plug it into there. Then you have these two. This one now goes back to where we just took it out from. So if you could see where my finger is, it's gonna be right here. So I'm gonna plug that in, right? Let's pause. Or I'll just hold it and show you if I can get it. Hold on. It's right here. If you can see this black connector, that's where it plugs into. So can't really get it. Oh, I got it. There you go. All right, so that's plugged in. And this one, see, it's plugged in. Now this one plugs right into your dash cam. For me, I got this one. Hold on. I got this one. So at this point, you use the USB connector, plug it into this end, the other end goes into your camera, and whenever you power the car on, it's going to feed off of that and power off automatically. Okay, so this is the camera, right? Now the dongle came with 3 of these, okay? So you pretty much plug one side right here and the other, the big end, into there. So let's do that. Okay, so it's all plugged in now, right? Now you have to connect back the section piece you took out of there, right? You have to connect back this. Okay, so I'm just gonna plug it back in to see if it works. Okay, plug that one back in, plug the other side back in. Now let's turn the car on, see what happens. Up, I see red light there, so that should mean we have power. So I've never turned this on before. Let's see, how do you turn it on? Oh well, I didn't even have to. It powered right on, and there you go. It says no SD card. This is my first time actually trying it. It came right on, right? Now let's see if I turn the car off, what happens. Power's gone. One more time. Car is on, it's powering up. So let's see, let's wait and see. Oh, I was waiting to see, do I have to press the button to turn it on, but it does it automatically. And that's how you install your dash cam, feeding off for your rear view mirror there. Okay, peace. Since I figured someone might ask, so after I put it in, I just tuck the wires. Well, the wire, just tuck it up in here from the back. You just push it straight up there, and you know your camera's gonna run right here, obviously. So now let me just connect it back, one final piece. Don't know if you can see it, but it is what it is. So just like this, this way. Plug that in, check. Plug that in, check. You go in from the back. That's what she said. Okay. Back view like that. Then you just tilt it forward. You'll feel the clip snap in place. Now you just got to make sure you see where you're pushing those clips. You don't want to break them. So that's pretty much what I'm doing here. Taking my time because I don't want to mess around and break something. Okay, I got most of it in, and then you just push this part and, you know, it would get flat. And there you go. Now it's all flat, like it was never, you know, open. And you got your dongle wire or your USB at this point, and you just plug your dash cam and mount it right there. Until next time, keep Lexing on them.